This 2012 Jayco Eagle 330RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bath, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Jayco Eagle 330RLTS is 8,770 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.